So for our problem number 3.1 in torsion, determine the torque that causes a maximum shear stress of 70 megapascal in the steel cylindrical shaft shown. So in our diagram, we have a diameter of 18 mm or 0.018 meter. So for our solution, we have the formula of T max equals T multiplied by radius over J, or T is equals to pi over 2 C cube multiplied by G. And we will just plug in our given values, and we have the T max of equals to pi over 2 multiplied by 0.018 meter of cube and multiplied by 70 times 10 to the power of 6, and we have a J max of 641 Newton meter. And for our problem number 3.2, determine the maximum shear stress caused by a torque of magnitude of 800 Newton meter. So in this problem, we will use the diagram in 3.1. So we have a formula of J max equals to 2 multiplied by T over pi C cube. We'll just plug in our given values. We have a 2 multiplied by 800 over pi times 0.018 meter over cube. And we have a J max of 87.3 megapascal.